Right. When we look at and name these structures, right, the important thing is to count the number of carbons that are in the longest chain and then determine what functional groups are attached. Right. So first we see a 6-carbon chain. A 6-carbon chain, just as a chain, it's an alkane, all single bonded carbons. So that will be a hexane because it has 6 carbons. Right. Next one, we have a 5-carbon chain, which is pentane. And we can see if we number those carbons from 1 to 5, that on that second carbon, there is a methyl group, okay, a CH3 group. So because it's on the second carbon, we would name that 2-methyl pentane. Yeah, that's right, pentane. 5 carbons, all single bonded. Right? The next one looks very similar, but we see that methyl group is over 1 more carbon. So